In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white outline on your thumbnail using Canva. Hi everyone! This is a simple, clean effect that makes your text and elements pop, and it can instantly improve the readability of your thumbnails on any platform. First, open Canva. You can use the desktop website or the app. The interface is very similar. Once you're in, open your thumbnail design or start a new one using the size you usually work with. If you're starting from scratch, it helps to add your background and main image first so you can judge the outline against the final look. Next, click the text or element you want to outline. This could be a headline, a subheading, or a graphic. Make sure it's selected so you see the active controls at the top. Now, click Effects in the top menu. This is where Canva keeps the styling tools for your selected item. From the list of options, select Shadow. Don't worry if it looks like a drop shadow at first. We're about to turn it into a clean white outline. Under the shadow settings, change the color to white. This immediately shifts the effect from a dark shadow to a bright rim. To refine it, adjust offset, direction, and blur. Lower offset to bring the shadow closer to the edges of your text or element, which helps it behave like an outline instead of a shadow. Tweak direction until the white evenly hugs the shape. If it looks heavier on one side, nudge the angle until it balances out. Then, reduce blur for a crisp edge. A lower blur gives you a sharper outline, while a slightly higher blur adds a softer glow. Take a moment to zoom in and out to make sure it looks clean at both small and large sizes. If you're outlining multiple items, repeat the same process for other elements as needed. Keeping your outline settings consistent across your thumbnail ties everything together and maintains a professional look. If your background is very bright, you might use a slightly thicker effect by increasing offset just a touch. If it's dark, a subtle outline often works best. When you're happy with the result, preview your design at the size it will appear on your platform to confirm the text is readable and the outline enhances, not distracts. And that's how you add a white outline on your thumbnail in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.